Do I release the clutch?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You release the clutch once you're
All right, man, start it again. Start it again. All right, man, start it again. Start it again.
Stall it like 4 more times before you get it.
Start it again. Start it again. Start it again. Oh. Bro, back up, bro. See, that's what I'm talking about, bro. Get this fucking shit up. Right, it's what bro, this stupid ass. What?
It's not easy.
Bro, like, bro, I did exactly what y'all told me to do, bro.
No, I just told you, you'll do this. First time you ever ride a motorcycle, this
Defense
is what
is the
happened.
best
The first time I ever rode a
formation
motorcycle, I stalled it 10 times before I actually fucking got 10 feet. You just have to keep doing it, and then eventually.
Let me. Oh, I know what to do. I know what to do. Yeah, slowly. It's the clutch. I know what to do. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!